Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use a public defibrillator. First, make sure the area is safe and call emergency services right away. Ask a bystander to fetch the AED while you check responsiveness and breathing. Begin CPR if the person is unresponsive and not breathing normally. When the AED arrives, follow the voice prompts and attach pads quickly, keeping interruptions to chest compressions minimal. Gather the AED and open the electrode pads immediately after confirming CPR needs. Remove clothing, jewelry, and wetness from the chest so the pads stick securely. If there is heavy chest hair, quickly shave or press the pad firmly to improve contact. Place pads as shown on the diagrams, one on the upper right chest and one on the lower left side. Follow the device prompts and stay clear during analysis. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more life-saving tips. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a surprisingly calming read that helps you think clearly under pressure, like when you must act fast with an AED. It's a short, practical book I enjoy, and it pairs well with emergency preparedness. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Turn the AED on and listen closely to its instructions while keeping CPR ongoing when prompted. Attach pads to the bare chest exactly as illustrated, then step away and allow the device to analyze rhythm without touching the person. If a shock is advised, ensure no contact and press the shock button if required. After a shock, resume high-quality CPR immediately for the interval the AED recommends until professionals take over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.